Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to do what's in my bag. I have a couple of minutes before I head out and catch the bus to work, and it's currently 1:10 and I need to be out in around 10 minutes. 10 minutes is fine, so we have some time to do what's in my bag. I think everyone knows that this is the Emirates bag. Recently we had another bag, but I didn't get it yet because it comes eventually when you change your uniform. My bag literally smells like a hospital now because this bottle opened, and this one is for the nasals and your ears. It clears out the blocks in your sinuses. If you have barotrauma, you should get this. Let's put this one back. So this is our first item. I have a scrunchie. Use this last flight because I had CRC break and I wanted to take off the band. If you don't know what is CRC, it's a crew rest compartment where we sleep in the long flights. I took off the band and I put my hair in a scrunchie. I have my keys. Oh. Then, okay, this is a spray. This is a lavender spray for your pillow. When you spray it, it makes you sleepy. It makes you calmer, something like that. Pen. Then yeah, this finished. I don't know if this finished or it opened in my bag. I have this Sol de Janeiro 62, yes, 62 perfume. Then I have my cards, my credit card, my ID, and a nasal spray. Then what is this? Yeah, this is an SPF, a small SPF. Then my ID, and let me wear that because I'm going for the flight. And this is it for the first one here. Then we proceed to the next one. I have my documents, my passport, my medical license, and my aviation license. I put them here in this pouch. And I have this book which I am currently reading. Now I'm in page 64. It's the Concise Art of Seduction. If you ever decide to read this book, it's a nice book, but guys, don't use it for bad. You will detect manipulation, and you will know some techniques, and you will notice that some people's behavior coming from where and what they are trying to do. So yeah, read it, it's nice. Alright, the next one, it's empty. Then usually I have something in there, I don't know what it is, I might have taken it off. Then I have a clear nail polish and a moisturizer sample from Eric Rue Skincare. By the way guys, I have a discount code for this one. I will put it in the bio. This is not a sponsorship. I got it for my friends, but I'm gonna give you the discount code because you will love it. This is an amazing hydration cream for whoever is flying. Let me correct myself. If you are flying or not flying, but it's an in-flight moisturizer, so it works so well in the cabin altitude because your skin so dry, but you can use it on ground too. I use it on ground. And then I have this sleeping mask. It's a mini version of the water sleeping mask from Laneige. And then I have this one. This is the Makeup Forever palette. And guys, this is all what you need for makeup. It's a little bit dirty, I need to clean it up. But this is all what you need: a blush, concealer, contour, foundation, everything. I only take this one with me on the flight, and the lipstick. Which brings us to the lipstick. This is the Kiss Me More Fleur Mar. Thank God I noticed that it's open. Then we have a Balmain body lotion. I took this from one of the hotels. Let me put some. If you are crew, you know that you need a hand cream. And I have another pen. And then you go to the smallest pouch. I have the right prebiotics. These prebiotics, I put them in 1.5 liters of water during the flight. I try to finish all the bottle and it's helping. It makes you want to drink more water and it makes you feel light in your stomach. So from here we finished. Let me see what I have in the back. Okay. Harissa for my televisions. Yeah, I have harissa and I have Panadol night. This is for the long flights where I need to sleep before the CRC by half an hour before my break. I take one and it knocks me up. What else? An extra button. And I have my sewing kit on the side. I have to put it in the bag. But that's it, guys. That's all what I have in my bag. Thank you for watching.